Hello everyone. I'm just coming at you today with a really quick video. This one is not a substitute for my weekly video. This is just an addition to. I do have another video coming out here that'll be out by the end of the week of the Tugman trip I just took out to Tugman State Park and enjoyed Eel Lake. Did some camping with Christopher and his lady. It was a great time. The video's coming on that. But I wanted to put out something because I was called a Wish proponent the other day. And I'm not against Wish. I'm not against Amazon or anything else online. I'm all for the best deal possible. You know, I'm sorry, I like to buy American and I need quality and a lot of things that I buy, and I do buy American when I need to buy something that's going to be life-changing, life-threatening, life relying on or whatever. But I do buy things from Wish that I find are adequate and would serve a purpose for a temporary solution maybe. And I also don't get my hopes up, and it's a whole lot more buyer beware. Good example, this little box here. Now, its description should have been about the size of my hand. As you see, it is not. So it's too small for what I wanted to use it for. But not only that, it was supposed to be a waterproof box. Hope you heard that. That was air escaping just by squeezing it. So it's not waterproof whatsoever. But this box, all totaled, cost me 75 cents to get here to the United States. It took about a month to get here. And it's not going to work. It's not going to do anything I wanted to do. But it was only 75 cents to send it back. It'll cost me about $1.50. So you eat it. You deal with it. That's what you got. You only spend 75 cents. Big whoop. If you're a gambler and you like going in the casino, drop 20, 40 bucks. Hey, this is how I gamble. At least I end up with something. You know, I mean, it's still a pretty decent little box. Works like it's supposed to as far as hinges go, and it's got a nice interior and even comes with extra labels. I don't know, I'll find something to stick in it. Won't be waterproof. I was hoping to be able to use it in my canoe and store a lot of my smaller things that don't want to get wet in there, SD cards, things like that. But it's not waterproof, so it's just going to be a hard case. Oh well, I only paid 75 cents for it. Not the end of the world. Am I going to go make a video saying, don't buy Wish, don't buy from Wish? No, because as you saw, I had a hammock video there where I have equipment I bought from Wish that was pretty awesome and has lasted years in some cases. But then I bought a lot of things from Wish that really just go right to the garbage, you know. But like I say, it's kind of like a gambling thing. When you're going to buy something that's maybe 5% or less than the actual cost of the name brand item, you're a fool if you expect anything more. You know, my little speaker, in fact, I can show you that right now. It's a knockoff JBL speaker. I bought it on Wish, thought it was going to be waterproof, thought it was going to be an MP3 player. It doesn't, but it works great as a Bluetooth speaker. Really does. The battery life is like 20 hours long. Had I paid full price for this, I would have been really pissed. Full price at Wish for this is like 40 bucks. I paid $6.75 for the speaker. So the fact that part of it doesn't work doesn't bother me any at all, because I only paid $6.75 for it, and at least it plays music. And I play the music on it, play my phone on it. I've taken it with me camping now the last 2 trips. Works fantastic. It is definitely not waterproof. It says it's splash proof on the box. It said it was waterproof in the ad. You know, and that's the problem you got with Chinese stuff, man. They're not quite truthful on everything they do. But you know, that speaker, the JBL one, Charles just bought one on sale at $80. So $6.75 versus $80. You get what you pay for, you know. Hey, it works. If it lasts me another 6-7 months, I'll be stoked, just because it works good for $6.75. That only took me 2 weeks to get here. So as far as Wish goes, buyer beware. Always buyer beware. I'm not a proponent for it. I'm not against it. It's just something, another place to buy stuff from. Just know that when you get it from there, it might not be what you want it to be, and just be expected of that. Pretty much everything you buy from Wish, if it says it's a large, it's really a small. So be ready for that. Maybe it's just the Chinese people are smaller. Maybe they're just trying to, scam us Americans. Either case, if you know what end of the snake you're dealing with, then you know how to handle it. So, buyer beware. God bless you all. Thanks a lot.